Have you been searching for a modern, custom-built home with no HOA? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly that here in Port St Lucie. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Rafael Gonzalez. I'm a realtor that specializes in new construction. I work with all of the builders here in Southeast Florida and help people just like you find the right home and find the right community while personally working with and representing you throughout the entire process. If you'd like my help and to leverage my knowledge, experience, and resources when buying or selling your next home, I'll have my information up on the screen and you can reach out to me directly. So this home is unique in that it actually comes with a separate front entryway leading to a next-gen or in-law suite. You're going to have about 2,200 square feet under air with 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a separate cabana bath and shower off from the lanai, which is perfectly situated with enough yard space if you wanted to build your own pool. Walking up to the home, you have a huge covered front porch and double front doors leading inside, where you'll find high ceilings in the foyer and central living spaces. This builder always includes upgrades like the hurricane impact windows, shiny tile throughout the home, frameless glass showers in the bathrooms, and a freestanding tub in the master. So if you are interested in scheduling a tour or want more information about this and other similar homes and communities, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I'm an independent realtor and can help work with you throughout the process with any community or home that you ultimately decide to call home. Whether you're looking at homes for sale or exclusively new construction, remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you will be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. The builders are happy to work with me and all of my clients and subscribers that I bring by, and they compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance. So if you are interested in this home or something else like this here in Port St. Lucie, you can reach out to me directly and I would be able to help you along the entire process, whether you're looking for something for sale or to build and represent you when buying or selling a home here on the Treasure Coast.